What's up, everybody? Kevin here, Mr. AKA Trade Hustler. Get ready to present you guys with another amazing video and show you some opportunities that I see in the market when it's one particular company that has dropped to extreme discount. One company that we know and love, one of the Mag 7 companies, always does well, getting revenue and EPS quarter always growing, but it has took a major jump. And this company that I'm talking about is Meta. Meta owns WhatsApp, owns Facebook, and it owns Instagram. And they're a major revenue generating company with running ads, and that's how they make a lot of profit, and they have over 3 billion users. And now is the time to invest in this company. If you want to get it at a good price, now is the time to get it at a good price, at a discount price. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so I recommend that if you looking to invest, you think with a financial advisor first. This is just what I'm doing and what I'm sharing with the members of my community and the advantages that I see that we're going to be taking advantage of in the market. So if you're looking for a community to join, it's going to help you grow your portfolio and make life-changing money in the stock market and give you the guidance and support that you need to grow your portfolio. Trade Hustler Discord link is in the bio, all right? So we're going to get to this video so I can show you guys what I have in store for you so you can put this information together for yourself and see if this is an opportunity you want to take advantage of, all right? Present you another video on this fabulous company that I know is going to do very well in the future, and we're talking about Meta. Meta has over 3 billion subscribers that uses their platform from WhatsApp to Facebook to Instagram, right? And they generate money through ad revenues and various other ways they help generate revenue, but mainly they generate it through ad revenue. Most recently, this price took a significant dip, and we're going to go into this video and show you exactly why it took a dip and how we're going to be able to capitalize off of this move and make some money in the options market off of Meta. Meta right here, revenue was 51 billion in Q3 2025, up 26% year over year, and it says right here the net income was 2.7 billion, down 82% year over year, and dilution EPS down 82% year over year. Now these numbers are kind of skewed because they had recently paid an $18 billion tax bill. So the true numbers, this doesn't affect the true numbers, but the $18 billion tax bill, it's kind of fudged the numbers a little bit. As you can see further down here, it shows you what the EPS numbers were. EPS estimates, but this says actual, which is not true. We'll show you on the other screen what the actual EPS numbers were, all right? In addition to that, Meta is spending $600 billion in the U.S. over the next 3 years. It says Meta Platforms today plans to invest $600 billion in the U.S. as part of its official intelligence push. The company plans to spend the capital over 3 years, will invest in new AI data centers supporting infrastructure such as power transitions lines and workforce expansion. Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg first floated the $600 billion plan during September dinner with U.S. President Donald Trump. The company may have delayed its formal announcement of the plan today because 2 of its flagship AI investments were only finalized in the past 3 weeks. Those investors will see the Facebook parent group grow its data center capacity by about 3 gigawatts. So it just goes, an article just goes to show you how much Zuckerberg is investing into the company. And anytime you have a CEO investing that much capital into the company, you know he's concerned about the brand, and the brand will continue to grow. We're also going to look at the EPS surprise. Here it says 8%. EPS reported was 7.2, and they expected it to be 6.67, right? So it definitely was a beat on October 29th that it was up 8%. And the revenue was 51 billion, which they expected to be 49 billion, and that was up 3%. This happened on October 29th. You have analysts. The analyst report, you got 49 analysts rate this as a strong buy, and you got 9 analysts it says a regular buy, and you got 9 analysts that rate this as a whole. It says industry recommendation is a strong buy. The 12-month price target is $8.43 on this particular stock. With the stock being at such an extreme discount, which I'm getting ready to go show you in the chart how you can take advantage of this in the options market, this will be the time now to buy and hold for the next 3 to 6 months in order to take advantage of this significant discount in the market for Meta. So when we go to my chart right here, where you have my marker, that was the earnings report. You can see right here, it said it was negative, down 84%, but just because of that tax bill it had to pay, right? So it made the numbers scare, kind of spooked investors a little bit. It dropped the stock price from $7.55 all the way down to $6.05. I think Meta's floating around $6.38 right now, but you have all this upside potential that Meta has that can make up ground from here to here by the time the next earning report comes out, which I think will be sometime in January. So by the time January come out, I fully expect the Meta have to recover some ground, if not all this ground, to go back up to the upside. And I'm going to be putting my team and my people in position to be able to take advantage of this move before it happens by buying options contracts. If you're familiar with options and you're looking for a community to join that you can trade options contracts with and learn the skill that can possibly change your life, the link is going to be in the down below. The link for the Discord is going to be down below. Come join the community. Come learn a lot about how to trade options. Come grow your wealth, and we're going to be helping you make life-changing money in the options market by by spotting and identifying opportunities like this. I have one other thing. It was another opportunity that I saw that was just like this opportunity that I was able to take advantage of. And this was right here when Amazon had a good earnings report back in July. And for whatever reason, investors were spooked about the earnings report. The earnings report was great. So Amazon went from 235 all the way down to 212. And now you can see exactly where Amazon has all the way recovered all the way up to 251. This is from July and we're now in November. So you saw August, September, October, less than 3.5 months. It already recovered from 211 all the way up to 251. And I see the same thing getting ready to happen with Meta. Meta will recover within the next 3 months. Meta will recover and be well over $800 per share. So if you're looking to take advantage of the opportunity, you're not sure how to trade options and want to learn, click the link below in the bio, and we're going to get you right, and we're going to help you learn how to trade options so you can change your life and the life of your family. See you on the inside. All right, guys, that's my video. Hopefully you enjoyed the presentation of what I'm showing you, the opportunities that I see in the market. This is one of the best opportunities I see right now for a company that's solid and is going to continue to grow in the future, because we all know that people are going to continue to use WhatsApp, and people are going to continue to use Facebook, and people continue to use Meta. So why not, if you want to start invest in a company that you know is going to go up in the long term and it's going to be around for the next 10 to 20, 30 years. All right. So if there's something that you're interested in, like I said, the link is in the bio. Come join the Trade Hustler community and we'll love to have you. And I'll see you on the next video and be giving you an update on my position with Meta once I see my position fully materialize and I see the gains that I expect to get from the stock. I'll come back and share a part 2 video with you showing you how I took advantage of this and what type of profits we made. See you next time.